I'm Will.
And I'm Sarah, and this is our F&D project. We found this house, and it was built in 1999, and we fell in love with the bones of this house. We think it's really great for family, but it was definitely dated. The master bath and the kitchen were extremely dated. So we were actually looking to sell our house, and we knew we wanted to be current and make the house light and bright and kind of open up the kitchen and just update some things without spending a fortune. And we were also lucky we found Floor Decor because we've got great products at great prices, and we were able to do just that. So our shopping at Floor Decor has been a great experience. One of the things we really like about it is just it's so easy to find everything. Everything is labeled, the prices are there. Everybody's really friendly, so if you have any questions or you need help finding anything, and the price is obviously great.
Yeah, looks fantastic. We love it.